We'll do that right now.
No, I don't want to do.
You don't want to do what?
I want them.
Oh, you want orange? I got orange. You want orange color or orange design?
Orange design.
Orange not show up very well. Please don't move. Please do not move. I do exceptional job. That's why people come to me. I got business. I got people loving me. Please hold. Blue? Dark blue? I got dark blue. I do not know if I've got yellow or not. Whose hands are whose? I got 4 hands here. Ah! Please do not move. Again, I tell you. Ah! No customer service. Get back, get back. You lost hand. You're no good. No move. No movie. You lost hand. Boo. Redo, redo. Bring back, now. Thank you. What is that noise out there? Did your parents know what you're doing? Is in big trouble? You guys get grounded? What is your parents going to say? Who is your mother?
You.
What about this mother? This other mother? Your other mother? You have another mother. Ooh, I forgot. I've got... Ooh, yes. I shall redo them all. Come back. So you boy, girl. You boy, girl. Ah, shush. It's okay. I'm not sexist. I like boys and I like girls. Boys nice, girls nice. Boy kiss girl. Okay. Boy kiss boy. Not okay. Boys need pampered too. They need to feel good. What are your fathers going to say about this? They're going to whip your butts in shape. This is why boys turn gay, because their daddies don't play ball with them. All they want to do, all the kids want to do is just go outside and play ball, huh? So daddy, you should have been outside throwing me the ball. That's all I want. That's it. I don't know. You just were not there. You were just a lazy butt. You want to work on your tire. And where was the mother in all this? Mother don't care because mother like paint nails. You get bored, you come to me. Ow! Who does that? Be still. Be still, I say, come back. Be still. Don't you move, come back here. I see you. You little turd. Down, 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 straight, flat. Thank you. Thank you very much. Do not move. What's your favorite color? Green? Good. Then you could look like you got fungus on your fingers. Busted. He liar. He liar.